I have my blow dryer and stuff, so I'm kind of like, do I want to glue this down or do I want to oh wow, okay, that's good. So this just came out and it's like a whole knot of hair in it. Yes, so far I haven't had too many tangles or nothing. That was actually my first little snag when I combed through it, but the hair is very nice, very soft. It does, this feels more like 180. This don't feel like 250 density. This feel like 180, but it's fine because it is much thicker than the other unit I had. And y'all remember the ends was really thin on that one. This one, the ends are full too. And I am using a new product. This is the Flex Insta Hold by Got to Be. Everybody has been talking about this and how well it works. So this smells really good, and my wig cap is really down. So yes, and I didn't see any residue because it did say don't leave residue, and it does not so far. It's holding up to what it says. So this is actually what we're gonna use today to lay our closure wig, and let's get started. Brand by the name of Duvolle. They sent me a gorgeous flat iron, and so I'm probably gonna do a voiceover through watch me do the demo, because I feel like what better way to do a review than to show you. So I hope you guys really like this demo and review. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at how pretty this is. Oh my god. So that's the packaging, y'all. This is gorgeous. It's even more gorgeous in person. Let me take the plastic off and see if you guys will be able to really like get the full gist of it, because right now the camera is not giving what it needs to give. Flat iron is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. It's like holographic pink. I hope that's picking up on camera, because this is, wow, that's pretty. That is quite pretty. So it gets up to 450. It has a swivel handle. I love flat irons that have that because it makes it so much easier when you're trying to curl. Okay, so I just flipped it on, and this is the temperature control here. I had straightened my hair a couple days ago, and now it's very frizzy because it's been very cold in Atlanta and it's been raining. It almost snowed one day, so you know. So I do have some clumps and crinkles and stuff in my hair, so I was like, perfect. I'm not gonna reflex my hair, and then this came in the mail, so I was like, ah, yes, I'm gonna try this. That was perfect. So what I'm gonna do right now is just put some of my heat straightening oil on this. And excuse my nails, I'm about to do another nail video. If you haven't seen the nail video that I just released, definitely go and watch that one too. So yeah, I'm gonna just put a little bit. I feel like a dab size. I don't know why I'm rubbing it in like it's lotion, y'all, but yeah. So, and just kind of run my fingers through it, because you don't want your hair to be oily way down. Yeah. Take a paddle brush. You might want to put a fine tooth comb through, you know, tangled hair. And this is some really good hair, y'all. Like, I barely had any shedding. And you see, it's like really pretty. Now, we do have like some crimps and all that. It's still very frizzy. And my ends are frizzy, so we're gonna see this flat iron can get us back to where we need to be. Oh, it got a good grip to it, y'all. Yes, that's why I said a good grip. Whenever you have a flat iron, you want to make sure that it got a good like grip between the two plates. That way it gets your ends. Look how straight that is compared to how frizzy this is, y'all. Yes. This flat iron is so pretty. Go back here, and this is a much thicker piece. I want to see how much hair, like, you know, when you head it out real fast and you're like, ooh girl, I can't do little sections now. I want to see what it gives. Oh, okay. Okay then, let me hit that one more time. Yes, y'all, the ends are back flat, period. Yep. Period. Y'all know the basics to flat ironing. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish flat ironing my hair, and then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the end result. Yes, do y'all see that? Do y'all see the shine and the silkiness? Oh yes, yes. And I did not put a lot of oil at all, y'all. When you have a good flat iron, it adds sheen and shine to your hair. So honey, definitely go get it. All of the details that you need will be below in the description box, including my promo code, which is TNEKA, all capital letters, TANEKA, and you will get 70% off. Girl, I got you, and that's on. So I'm gonna get done flat ironing the other side of my hair, and then I'm gonna do my hot comb on my lace. Y'all know how we do, and that's it, period. So if you haven't noticed by now, I flat iron my hair a little differently, or maybe other people do this too, but I don't do all of the parting my hair and starting from the bottom, and I don't do that. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all. I cheat when it comes to straightening my hair so much, because I just be like big sections in the back, and you know. And this flat iron is doing such a good job, because this wig is 250 density. So I'm taking some really big sections, and I do have it on 450 degrees. I'm taking some really big sections, and as y'all see, I think I only did like, what, 3 passes on this side, and baby, we bout back. shower, and I tied my hair down while I was in the shower. So I just kind of did like a wrap on it because I knew some parts would get wet, and they did. Y'all see it? Look how pretty and luscious that shit looks. Oh my gosh. That is quite nice. So yeah, this part right here, it's like a little temp. So I'm just gonna flat iron over this part again, and then I will be done, and I'll do some slow-mos. You can get your hair as pretty and as silky straight as this for 70% off too, baby. Again, my discount code is TANEKA, T-A-N-E-K-A, in all capital letters, and you'll get 70% off, and you can get this same flat iron that I have here for about $29. So yes, make sure to go and get your flat iron from Duvolle, y'all. This is so pretty. This is so pretty, like, y'all. And look at my ends, like, y'all remember how my ends looked before? Look at them now. How pretty is this? Yes. With straight hair, I feel like, honestly, it's all about your ends. Like, if your ends aren't nice and flowy and just luscious, it kind of just messes up the whole style, honestly. So yes, I really like this flat iron. It did what it needed to do. It gave the girls what it needed to give, and now I'm gonna go give the girls what they need to get. Hello. But anyways, y'all make sure to like and subscribe and buy a flat iron, and that's my period. Bye, y'all.